Here to answer your questions for today's Tuesday Tips of Advice, we have relationship expert, Dr. Patty Ann Tubman. It's always great to have you
Good
with us.
morning.
Good morning. You ready? Joanna from Berlin is asking, all of a sudden my husband leaves the room when he gets phone calls during the weekend and at night. All right, I already don't like that observation is not good. Whenever I ask him who he is talking, he's always saying it is someone from work, but he's never gotten work calls at night on the weekend before. I don't believe him, and I think he's having an affair with someone from work. What do you think, Dr. Patty Ann?
Well, I think whatever's going on is not cool.
Yeah, it's not good, whatever it is.
It's not cool, and I don't know if he's having an affair with somebody at work or somebody that's not at work, or if he's not having an affair at all. So what should she do? Have an honest conversation and ask him what is going on. Let him know your concerns just like you wrote it to me in the question.
Yeah, but sometimes you may be honest, but that other person may not be quite as honest.
Well,
and you kind of have a feeling that
but put it out
person's
there.
not being honest.
Right,
okay.
but put it out there,
Okay.
right? And then see what he says. See how he reacts. Let's say, no, you're crazy, nothing's wrong. Say, okay, well, the next time you get a call like that, you really don't need to leave the room. If you're concerned that you're distracted, I'll shut the TV off or I'll lower the radio. It'll be quiet so you can take the call here. And again, wait and see how he reacts to that.
All right, what about saying, what if the tables were turned on you? What if I was doing this to you? What would you think?
That's perfect advice as well. And he might turn around and say, well, I wouldn't care. So you have to be careful with that, right? So you could say, well, maybe you don't care, but I do.
All right, so some women who may be a little desperate and want to know a little more and actually start snooping around and checking the husband's cell phone.
Clearly already there's an issue, right? And the trust is being breached.
Absolutely.
So it is good to know that if you're on the same cell phone, and it might not be if he has a work phone, but if you're on the same cell phone line, you can check his phone bill and you'll know who's calling. Like, you'll see the same number. It's not hard to track.
But the bottom line here is
there's a problem, and I seriously suggest you get professional help. Contact a professional marriage counselor, because clearly the two of you are not seeing eye to eye, and my sense is that there's other things going on, and maybe you've ignored them or you didn't want to admit them, but this is not good.
Exactly, especially if you have children. You really want to get to the bottom of everything here to get things resolved.
Children or no children, still your heart.
Doesn't matter.
Still your heart.
Yes. Dr. Patty Ann Tubman, as always, thank you.
Great. And reach out to me. I'm on Twitter at Dr. Patty Ann. You can send your questions on Facebook, drpattyann.com/relationships.com. You can find me.
Yes. All right, thanks.